Good morning, it's Theboydanny here. I'm going on a fast ride on a speedboat. I don't know, this is going to be my first time. It's going to be my first experience, so I'm going to take you guys with me so you guys can enjoy the view and everything else. So, let's go. Alright you guys, we're here and I'm very excited and pretty scared because you don't know, the wind might be very strong and flip the boat. But it's okay, we might land with the sharks and, you know, get eaten. I don't see no seatbelts. Y'all see seatbelts down there? I don't. My heart is speeding up slowly. It's super musty out here. We're gonna hop on this one. Come check it out. This one right here.
Go ahead.
We're going in the front. Bro, I'm hella pissed right now. I'm hella pissed. Look at this. I literally dropped some sauce on my shirt and look at this. I'm pissed right now. And I had to wash it and look, it even got worse.
At least I know it's like some oily sauce.
So I don't know what to do now. So I'm gonna just let it freaking dry and I don't know. Alright guys, I think we're just gonna call it a day today because I'm very tired and I'm trying to go sleep already. So see you guys in the next video and I hope you guys enjoyed today, and leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share because I'm very tired right now and I haven't slept. You know, the time change is very different. My grandma out here. Diga hola, bonita. Diga hola.
Hola.
My grandma's so cute, bro. Ah, gracias. It's not here, bro. Is it here? Okay, but I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye. Grandpa Joe and Uncle Tom, we out here in the crib, you know, just chilling.